Hi guys, today we will talk about how to reset statistic on your WhatsApp app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that. All you have to do in first step, just go up here, you click here on the sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And all you have to do now, just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, just switching to show for you like this. You go down and you click here on storage and data. You will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, just click here on network usage, then it's going to take you here in this window. You go down, you click here on rest statistic, here you will click, then it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on rest and it's going to rest with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just click here and it's going to rest with you. So thank you.